In this video, we're going to be talking about the rear suspension squeaking that's been happening to my 2016 Mercedes AMG GTS. This is the squeak that I am talking about. So I took it home, I lifted it up, I removed the wheels, I inspected the suspension. I looked at the sway bar, the in-links, the bushings, I looked at all the different suspension components, I looked at the spring. I couldn't find anything out of the norm. So then I went to the car wash and I sprayed the rear area of the suspension. I went for a drive and the noise went away. So I kind of got excited because I originally thought that maybe my shocks were blown, but when the noise went away, I thought maybe something needs to be lubricated. So then I did some research and I found out that you cannot lubricate rubber components. Don't do that. But you can spray things like graphite spray. It's called a dry spray. So I picked some up, I sprayed the back, and again, the noise went away for maybe like 5-10 minutes, maybe a little longer, and then it came back. So at this point in time, I didn't know what to do. So I reached out to a good European shop here locally, and the technicians, what they did is they disconnected the in-links, they went for a drive, and the squeak was still there. So the in-links and all that, that wasn't the issue. And then after that, they decided to mark some bushings to see if they flexed or moved, and none of that happened. But then they looked at the upper control arms and they saw that there's some separation, and they thought that maybe that could be the issue. So we talked about it, and then one of the techs had a great idea. He went there and he sprayed some penetrating oil. He knew that this is just a temporary thing, specifically on the upper control arms that he's suspecting, and the noise went away. So we have some upper control arms ordered, and we will make an update video, but essentially that's been our diagnosing process with the rear squeak on our Mercedes AMG GTS.